My name is Sam MC. Today I will be presenting the Johnson & Johnson company, as some of you may already be aware of. I will be speaking about Johnson & Johnson's approach to managing innovation and what the company does to manage innovation at the workplace and how they adapt a positive culture in the workplace. In my next slide, I will speak about Ted & Besant's innovation framework. According to CART ETAL 2016, innovation is the implementation of concepts and ideas to real-world situations to create new products or services or enhance existing ones. The 4 stages of the innovation process can be seen on the slide: search, select, implement, and capture. The implement stage is crucial and can be tied in with the company, as the implement stage allows strategies, plans, and ideas to be put into action to help achieve goals for the company or leader, as Freria ETAL 2015 suggests. Johnson & Johnson is a pharmaceutical and medical technologies company and produces healthcare products and offers associated services to the healthcare. According to Magistrati ETAL 2021, the company sells skin and hair products to over-the-counter products, prescription and surgical implements in many countries around the world. The company believes that their positive contribution to an equal and inexclusive society is based on innovation. As suggested by Magistrati ETAL 2021, innovation is a global driver for the finest ideas, accelerating early-stage transformative solutions across the healthcare sector. The company looked to innovate by transforming healthcare industry. Johnson & Johnson depend on the transformative force of scientific knowledge, data science, digital skills, emerging technologies, and close cooperation. The company have invested into research and development and applied digital healthcare to enhance and accelerate their innovation and drive impact for patients. For example, operating surgeons at Massavico Centre in Switzerland may now give unique patient photographs, allowing them to create patient-specific implements for jaw, face, skull in less than 2 days. Meanwhile, an innovation strategy that incorporates both incremental advancements and a game-changing discovery. Van ETAL 2020 suggests the company have also applied open innovation to unlock the potential of life science innovation. The innovation team looks to advance scientific discoveries to address the most difficult health challenges. The company claims to be confident in fostering innovation. They believe a great idea can come from anywhere. The company is considered innovative because advanced manufacturing technologies contribute to greater efficiency and connectivity. Corporate social responsibility involves open and social innovation. According to SLAB ETAL 2015, to be better managed for innovation, Johnson & Johnson have considered to adapt a positive culture in the workplace, including diversity, equity, inclusion. They look to promote culture by social interaction, communication. The company state we're committed to creating a culture that allows our employees to change the world without changing themselves. According to Aspari ETAL 2020, Johnson & Johnson are dedicated to collaborating with early-stage innovators to enable them to evaluate the needs of every patient more precisely. Their mission is to boost whole-scale impact towards health equity by supporting the global startup ecosystem and fostering structural and systematic change. Johnson & Johnson utilizes transformational leadership principles with HR managers, encouraging for recruitment of a diverse task force, as suggested by Aspari ETAL 2020. Strategic leaders support the organisation in maintaining focus on its overarching mission and ensuring goals are being met, as suggested by Damanur, Poor, and even 1989. Johnson & Johnson sees climate change as a challenge. The company is aware that human health is affected by climate health. According to research ETAL 2020, there are several ways that climate change is affecting health, including change patterns of infectious disease. Another sustainable goal for the company is to develop on new technology and solutions that reduce the environmental impact through innovation, working towards creating a cleaner and safer environment around the globe. The company looked to fulfill the 3 goals in the areas of value chain, emissions reduction, carbon neutrality for its operations, and renewable energy by 2025. The company is to implement new wind solars, as this can be linked and tied into Ted & Besant's framework of implementing ideas into real solutions. Benefits generating electricity from low carbon energy sources decreases emissions and harmful gases, according to Hertwich ETAL 2016. At Johnson & Johnson, to not fulfill demands of patients, but today anticipate and understand how to meet their needs tomorrow in a transformational way. They have been effective of fostering innovation within the company because it upholds the value, diversity, equity, and inclusion, which makes employees feel included and stimulate creativity. To tackle climate change and be as environmentally friendly as possible, according to Brennan Yamard 2015, the company should focus on sustainable design, efficient material, and reduction in product packaging. Doing so will help them cut carbon emissions and improve their environmental sustainability. Thank you for listening.